Hey guys, it's RJ from RJ World bringing you a brand new video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as you tell from the title, what we will be doing today is making a DIY sweatsuit. So if you want to sweat your balls off, this is the thing to do it. So let's go ahead and get into it. We are DIYing today. We are dying. Alright guys, so what you want to do with your trash bag is go ahead and open the shit up. Just like so. Open your damn bag like you're going to throw away somebody's. So now what you want to do, I've done mess this up 3 times. So this clip has been recorded 3 times. Don't fucking know. But what you want to do is get your trash bag, you see? And what you want to do after that, we're going to cut the bottoms off last because it doesn't work well. So, what you want to do, open your trash bag up like so. Just like this. Open, open, open. Open your trash bag up just like this. And then come down here towards my dick. Don't look at my cock. But then what you want to do is you want to touch corners to fold it in half. I mean, you're perfect at fucking folding it in half and go ahead and do that. But I've done messed up way too many times. So now what you want to do, come back up here towards my face. What you're going to want to do is now that it's folded in half, halfway towards hole, what you want to do, take it where it's not open at, up here at the top, towards the top. Go like this, get it just like that. And then what you want to do is start anywhere where you think your neck is, I guess. So about like right here. Go start it off small and just come up. Come all the way up. Just like this. See? And there you go. See? My neck's in it. Alright guys, so enough of the thumbnail bullshit. This right here has been the part that has been making me fail. Y'all that see my video know I do not like to fail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pass it, we're gonna succeed, guys. Alright, so now that you have done this, come back down here towards it. Come on. Alright, so now we have done this, you see? So what you need. You don't need it, but if you have it by any means, use it. Your measuring tape. Measure from your neck to where your arm is. So about, let's see, I am about 7 inches from there. So, oh, shoot. Then what you're gonna wanna do, measure from the bottom of my neck, the bottom of your neck on here, on this, to the arm. So, 7. So about, it's gonna be about right there. That's 7 for me. Alright. And then you just wanna, I remember where it is. So it's about right here. So I'm gonna wanna cut from here, right there, and then we're gonna cut it. We're gonna start off small. So from here to right here, and then just, if the scissors wanna work, you just wanna cut it off just like so. Snip. So there we go. Yes, it looks pretty big, but it's going to work, trust me. And then, all you want to do is, really, I mean, you can measure it again or you can look at it. Once you have it like this, you have one arm. What you want to do is put it on. And again, a disclaimer for anybody who didn't ask their parents to put their head in the trash bag. I'm not influencing you, so don't try to blame it on me. You watch this video knowing what you're coming into. That's all I have to say. So, without further ado, let's put our head in this trash bag. Alright guys, so you wanna put your head in the trash bag, and then you're like, dang, see, the arm, it's good. What you wanna do is you wanna make the other arm like this, and it's gonna be in the same spot. So, since that's good, just take it off now. Down to about, we're gonna come to right here. So, go ahead and stab through, just like so. guess just cut out. All you want to do is now cut it out. See what I did? It's the same process on the other arm. You just measure out where you had it at and cut it out. I suggest y'all having strong scissors by your side, because now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing. We'll measure about right here again, all the way. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm telling you, it's gonna work, guys. For those of y'all that don't want to go out and buy a fucking sauna suit, dude, because this is saving you money. Like, you have this already in your house, so especially if you live with your parents, you're not spending any money on it. Your parents are buying the garbage bags in the house. Now that you have your shirt or whatever, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put it on. Now, all right, guys. So now that you have your trash bag suit on, you look like you're a trash football player or some shit, you know. What you want to do, because I know if you're like me, if you're short, it's going to be kind of long. So what you want to do is grab your scissors, go down to about where your torso is. So, well, mine's about right here, but I want it to be a little bit longer, and you'll see why. What you want to do is just snip around right to where your torso is. So about right here for me. And so now I'm going to show you why I did it like this and why I didn't use the one with the strap, because you'll see in a moment. And so the reason that I didn't use a trash bag that already had a tie is because if you use this, you can keep reusing this trash bag. If you use a belt, a tie, a shoestring, anything you have in the house that can tie around, what you want to do is just stretch the bag as far as it goes down. So come back down towards my dick. So what you want to do is stretch it as far as it goes down. Wrap your belt, your tie, whatever you have. If you want, you can put little slits in it, but I'll just do this. Put it through this right here. But this is supposed to go under your shirt, but I don't want to, strip for YouTube, because I ain't about that for the views. Maybe sooner or later. So, and then what you want to do is just get it as tight as it'll go, or not as tight as it'll go, but as tight as your liking. So if you want it tight, if you don't have to. A homemade sweatsuit, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. This is what I will be working out in today, actually. And after I run, I'll show you some footage of how well it works, because it's gonna go underneath my clothes. Guys, so basically, I took a break from doing the sauna sweatsuit thing. I'm about to go pick up my girlfriend now. You're all gonna see the beautiful Anye. Yes, we do have a couples channel, but we haven't uploaded on it in a while. Guys, I'm officially on my way to get my baby girl in the whip. You see the whip? Yeah, I'm kind of low on gas today, guys. I don't know what the hell that means, but we'll get a mechanic for that. But yes, I'm on my way to see the beautiful and lovely Anye. Whoa. All right, guys. So I'm on my way to see the beautiful and lovely Anye. I can't go under there. I was about to go under there, guys, but I forgot that we're building a boxing ring. So there would really be no point of me going under there. It would really be just stupid. But yes, so I'm gonna go see Anye, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna test out the sweatsuit. Don't worry, guys. Be patient. I mean, this vlog isn't gonna be that long, but I'll get back to y'all when I see her. Even just seeing her for a little makes me so happy. Bro, I swear, bro, just seeing her even for a little bit, it just makes my day. She's so funny, bro. Like, bro, honestly, y'all need to get y'all a girl that's funny, talented. She looks good with makeup, without makeup. She's beautiful on the inside, beautiful on the outside, bro. Like, I can name so many things that's just wonderful about my girl that it's not even funny, bro. Like, that's my wife, dog. Like, she may not got a ring on her, bro, but a ring don't mean everything. I'm telling you that. She my wife, bro, and that's all that matters. But now I'm gonna get back home and show y'all my sauna suit and how it works. This is like a little, I guess, a short little I love you vlog. Like, I literally seen her for about 10 minutes, and I'm like the happiest dude in the world right now. So that just tells y'all, like, not everything about people saying, oh, having a girl is this, having a girl is that, it's drama. No, it's not, bro. Like, it's mixed. It's like, it's enough drama that you can handle. Love overweighs the drama, and the love overweighs all the stuff you go through, bro. So no matter what you go through, if you with that one person, bro, you got it made. I'm telling you, cause she not gonna leave you cause somebody said this, somebody said that, bro. She gonna hold you down no matter what. You gonna hold her down no matter what, cause that's your job, bro. Your job is to show love to each other. Your job ain't to entertain these other niggas, entertain these other females, bro. Like, your job ain't to hurt each other, bro. Your job is to love. And yeah, it did take me a while to figure that out, bro. But I figured it out, and I know what I've got to do now. Like, bro, I'm telling you, bro, she a keeper. And that's all I'm gonna say. Y'all just see the sauna suit when we get home, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so this is a sweatsuit that I've got on, but we're not running with this shit like this because we're gonna look dumb as hell. So what we gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put our jacket on over it. Nah, that's better. So I'm gonna go ahead and run. I'm gonna show y'all how much I sweat with this on. So y'all stay tuned. I'm ready to go ahead and run right now. And when I finish running, I'm gonna show you the process of how much sweat is gonna be done. I'm just working on my driver right now. I'm gonna run 12 times to the end and 12 times to the front. Just you know, sweat a little, and I'm gonna jump rope for like 3 minutes. As you see, I'm pretty fucking hot. Just ran the 12 laps. Well, not 12 laps, yeah, basically 12 laps. 12 up, 12 down, just to get my heart pumping. Now I'm about to go ahead and jump into jump ropes right now. I want to record it, but it's kind of wet out here, so I really don't have anywhere to put my camera at the moment, and I don't want it to start raining again and my camera be out and I have to buy a new camera. So I'm just gonna keep coming back to y'all, and the next workout I do, I promise I'll share it with y'all, and y'all definitely gonna see my results when they come out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get back to this workout. I just finished my cardio, jump ropes, ran. Now I'm about to go hit the weights downstairs. I might can set up the camera down there, but hold on, let me shut this. But I don't know for sure because I don't live by myself, and it might be kind of loud down there. But if I don't, I'm definitely gonna get y'all a workout video coming soon. Y'all just gotta bear with me here, bro. Been trying to get in shape. One reason I haven't been uploading because, I mean, yeah, it's no excuse because I could be vlogging in the gym, right? But my gym's so small that everybody's just compacted together, so sometimes I can't vlog like that in there. Sweating a lot. Don't know if you can see it. See, you see that? Imagine when you wear this when it's hot as fuck outside. You gonna sweat a lot, I'm telling you. Alright guys, so I'm finishing up the workout. This is the plastic bag, the inside of it where I was. It got me very, very sweaty, so it is a good thing to use when you work out. I don't know if I know you probably can't see it, but it got me very sweaty, so I suggest you could use it if you're trying to shed a few pounds. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video of me making a sweatsuit. It actually turned out really great. I was sweating a lot, and I just felt like I was going in. You got to see me see my girlfriend today. It wasn't really a vlog. It was really a DIY, but I just wanted to add that little thing in there because, you know, I love her. So, you know, she needs some camera time soon. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna need you to subscribe if you're not. Goodbye.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like pop.